Fun Science Experiments, Ice Cream Edition. Ice Cream Science. Secondary Jaka Sampurna students experiment and learn. Who says science can't be fun? Secondary Jaka Sampurna School Bekasi students are proving that science can be delicious too. Guided by their creative teachers, students are learning by doing as they make their own ice cream. From measuring ingredients to mixing the batter and feeling the cool sensation as the ice cream forms, students are learning about the properties of matter, cooling processes, and chemical reactions. This hands-on experiment helps students understand scientific concepts in a more engaging way. Watch as our young scientists work together to create unique and delicious ice cream flavors. Learn how this fun activity fosters teamwork, creativity, and a love for science. Join us for the fun.